Hello everyone. In the previous video, I had given you some questions to solve. Many students have sent me the answers. Most of them are correct, but some students have done some mistakes. So, this is the solution video with explanation. But before we begin, I request everyone to watch the video till the end so that you understand the concept properly. The first question is, underline the proper nouns and circle the common nouns in these sentences. So, as you know, all proper nouns begin with a capital letter. In fact, every word of a proper noun begins with a capital letter, but a common noun does not begin with a capital letter unless it is the first word of the sentence. So, number one is, he speaks Tamil at home. Tamil is the name of a particular language and begins with a capital letter T, so it is a proper noun and is underlined. Home is the name of a common place, so it is a common noun and is circled. Now the second one is, the Indian Ocean is very big. Here in Indian Ocean is the name of a particular ocean, so it will be underlined because it is a proper noun. Now here the name of the ocean is Indian Ocean, not only Indian, so the whole of Indian Ocean will be underlined. As you see, there is no common noun in number 2, so nothing has to be circled. The next is, Sarla is a dancer. So Sarla is the name of a girl and it is a proper noun, so it will be underlined. Now dancer is a common noun because it's a common name, so it will be circled. Next is Miss Pushpa is my class teacher. Here Miss Pushpa is the name of a particular person, so it is a proper noun and hence it will be underlined. Now if you see here, class teacher as a whole is a common name of a person, so you have to circle the whole of class teacher as it refers to a common person. Now the next is, Australia is a large island. Here Australia is the name of a particular country, so it is a proper noun and will be underlined. Island refers to a common place, so it will be circled. Next is, the river Nile flows through Egypt. Here river Nile is the name of a particular river, so it is a proper noun and will be underlined. Egypt is the name of a particular country, so it is a proper noun and will be underlined. Here we do not see any common noun, so here we have not to circle anything. Next is, the mango is the national fruit of India. Here mango is the common name of a fruit, so mango is a common noun and will be circled. Fruit also refers to a common name of a thing, so it will be circled because it is a common noun. Here you may think mango is the name of a fruit, so it should be a proper noun, but let me tell you, mango is a common name which can be given to any mango. It is not particular, so mango is a common noun and will be circled. India is the name of a country, our lovely country, so it is a proper noun and will be underlined. The last is, Jupiter is a planet. Here Jupiter is the name of a particular planet, so it is a proper noun and will be underlined. Planet is a name that refers to a common thing, so it is a common noun and will be circled. So one thing that you have to pay attention here, every word of a proper noun begins with a capital letter. So if a noun begins with a capital letter, that cannot be a common noun. It must be a proper noun. I hope you have understood this. In the second question, you had to underline the proper nouns and write the correct common nouns for those proper nouns. The first one is Rita is tall and thin. Here Rita is the name of a particular girl, so it is a proper noun, hence it is underlined. Now Rita is the name of a girl, so girl will be the common noun, that has to be written here in the given space. Now the second one is Naveen wants to go to Europe. Here Naveen is the name of a particular boy and Europe is the name of a particular continent. So in this sentence, Naveen and Europe are proper nouns, so they will be underlined. Now Naveen is the name of a boy, so boy is the common noun for Naveen, and Europe is the name of a continent, so continent is the common noun for Europe. Now the third one is we can swim in the Ganges. Ganges is the name of a river. In Hindi we call it Ganga. So river is the correct common noun for the proper noun Ganges. Since Ganges is the proper noun, so it will be underlined. Number 4 is Delhi is very crowded. Here Delhi is a proper noun as it is the name of a particular city, so its common noun will be city. Next is Manoj needs a haircut. Since Manoj is the name of a boy, so boy will be the common noun for the proper noun Manoj, and Manoj will be underlined. The last sentence is the Taj Mahal is beautiful. Here Taj Mahal is the name of a particular building or mausoleum, or you can say monument or tomb. So Taj Mahal is the proper noun, that has to be underlined here. Now for the common noun for Taj Mahal may be mausoleum, building, monument or tomb. Actually mausoleum is a place which is built for a dead person. So this was the solution video for the questions that I had given you. I have sent you the pages. This is the end of the video. I hope you have learned something from it. Thanks for listening and God bless you all.